Today I'm going to show you how to paint your brake calipers to give it a nice sporty look. So here's the before picture, and before we do any painting we've got to clean that caliper. So I'm going to use some brake clean, just douse it really good and wipe it down. Most people think that when you paint a brake caliper you've got to remove it from the wheel, pull the pads off, and then use a spray paint, which means there's going to be a fair amount of masking to do. Not so with this one. I found this caliper paint that's brushable, so I bought that off Amazon, about $14 I think. I'll leave a link below. And then I just used a little hobby brush, and that allows me to leave the caliper on the vehicle and then get in all the tough spots and actually have better control of where the paint goes. So this is after just one coat, and the manufacturer of the paint recommends 2 good coats. So we'll come back in 4 hours and put the final coat on, and then we should be done. So this is the final product after 2 coats brushed on, about 3 or 4 hours apart. So I'll let this dry and then put the wheels back on. So here's the final product after 24 hours of paint drying. Put the wheel back on and I think it looks pretty good. Again, it looks a little bit more red in life than it does in video, but I think they'll look great. All materials are in the comments below. That little $14 can of paint is probably good to do 3 vehicles, so this is a really great value and very easy to do with no mess. Please leave questions. Happy to help out. Thanks for watching.